What's going on YouTube? Schulte Shifts and Kawastevi here. Today we're checking out Ball Ground Burger Buzz. One of our friends recommended it. He rode out there last weekend. It's kind of a ride out there, just over an hour from where we're at. But the pictures online of the burgers and the hot dogs and the onion rings looked incredible. So Stevie and I decided to take a trip up to Ball Ground and check it out. It's yellow.
Hey, there's your jot 'em down road, babe.
Goddamn, jot 'em down road. Another fucking red light. It's gonna take us an hour and a half to get there. All this time we're spending on the red lights. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1. Bingo. Hi, Stevie. Your bars look good.
No.
What brand are they again? What brand are they again? You don't know?
What?
What
Brand?
Yeah.
He said brand new. It's Hepco and
Packer.
I said Packer.
Packer. Hepco and Pecker. So yeah, if you guys want to see the install video on the Hepco and Becker crash guards, engine bars, engine protection bars, whatever you want to call them, frame slider things, check it out. Put a tag up in the top right corner. Wow, it's a badass cookout. Look at it, that thing's fucking huge. It must be new. Another red light. How many red lights is that? Like 4 already? I think it's cool. We should start a thing where we start waving like idiots to all the Harley people, because they're too cool to do the low wave. Kitty. Ooh la la.
It's so trippy.
I know. Gonna hit another red light. Let's see if we can keep moving. Yeah.
Now we got a semi pulling out too. It's gonna be even slower. He pulled out in front of the other semi.
Oh, it's semi-annoying.
Another fucking red light.
It's just so much fun. I'm gonna count when we edit how many red lights we've hit. Another red light! Another red light. Oh look, more road work. 1,000 feet. I bet you there's a red light before it. Oh, spicy. You see that lady? She's like, fuck it, I'll just cut this guy off and send it. Another fucking red light. Wide open.
I actually know where I am.
Really? Oh, Dahlonega Highway. Yeah, fix all the other red lights too that we're hitting. There's something wrong with it. Oh, bucket man! Do the things that the bucket man can. Historic Matt. 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 Holy shit. We made it. We made it through the green light. Wow. So Stevie, what'd you think of Ball Ground Burger Bus?
It was fantastic.
What'd you get?
Got the dock guac with a pile of guacamole and chipotle mayo and jalapenos.
Jalapenos? Did you like those fried onion rings?
Those were the best. They melted in your mouth.
Oh yeah, they were really good. Yeah, I had, what was the name of that burger?
Dad's Heart Attack or some shit.
Dad's
like that.
Doomday something. It was really good. It was a burger with maple bacon, a fried egg, fried grits. Oh man, it's incredible. It's so tasty.
Oh, my seat is hotter than fuck.
Yeah, and then we had that dog. Hot dog was pretty good. It had coleslaw and all sorts of shenanigans on it. Oh, that's a nice house. That's a little cool area. It's like downtown Russellton.
It's been a great ride and I like it.
Yeah, that's been a good ride here.
Minus all the lights.
Yeah, all the red lights that we hit, that was stupid. We're probably gonna hit a bunch more on the way back, but I think it'll be alright. Yeah, you guys, thanks for watching today. If you're in the North Georgia area, Ball Ground, you need to check that spot out. I didn't see any milkshakes on there. I wonder if they do milkshakes.
I don't think they do, but that would be a great addition.
Yeah, it's a little milkshake.
They had good options for craft beer though.
Yeah, their craft beer selection is pretty good. So if you're into craft beer, they had Cherry Street, the Wicked Weed, they had a bunch of different little selections, and I'm assuming they change them out. You know, some of those beers were seasonal. Like what you saw today? Make sure to drop a like, leave a comment, subscribe if you haven't already. And if you have, hit the notification bell. I try and upload as much as I can, but you know, life keeps me busy, me and Stevie. So yeah, we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.